Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm giving you a tip on how to prevent your receiver hitch from getting stuck. First of all, try to remember to pull it out when you're not using it. If, like me, you use the trailer quite often, you have a tendency to leave it on, and then when you're not using it for any length of time, you forget about it. And rust is Mother Nature's way of welding. The day I was out and I went to load something in the back of the Blazer. Well, I wanted to pull this out not to scratch it as I was loading it up, and I couldn't get it out. I tapped this around a little bit and loosened it up. I was finally able to free it up. Today is February 18th. This hitch has been in there since this past summer, this past July. I believe I pulled it out once before, and I just left it in there because I use it often. Last couple of months I haven't used it. You can see the rust on the ball. If you're going to leave your hitch in there, pull it out from time to time. Clean it up, put some grease, some oil, whatever you have on it, and also clean out the receiver itself. I'm going to use a little brush in here. I would apply some oil or some grease in here to keep this from rusting. If you have one of those plugs insert, that'd be a good idea. And if you're going to keep it in there, every couple of months, pull it out, clean it up, oil it up, and slide it back in. You'll save yourself a lot of future grief if ever you have to pull this out to change it, or maybe you have one of those trays to put in the back. Because once these get rusted in there, they're a bear to get out, and it could be to a point where you'll be ruining your receiver. So this was just a quick reminder to take care of your hitch and your receiver so you won't have any troubles in the future. If you enjoyed this tip, found it useful, give it a like, share it with someone else who might be able to use it, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon, and not to miss my new videos as I upload them, be sure to ring that bell. Until next time, safe driving.